Hello guys, today we're in Valletta, Malta. Keep watching if you want to find out how to get the most from your time in this cruise port. Now once you arrive into Valletta, you can see behind me the ship, and there's also a sort of a metal shaft. Now that's a lift from the very bottom. Now that's 150 metres from the entrance of the terminal. It may be a little bit more than that, depends on where your ship's docks. For example, ours is across the water. We had to take a little shuttle boat across. Now your choice is that you can either walk up, and we'll show you that a little bit later on, or you can walk there and take the lift up. It's €1 to go up and it's free to go down. And it makes Valletta really accessible because it is a fair way up, as you can see. Now, we came up the stairs behind us, which lead you all the way up, and then the other side of us there is the bus terminal, and you go there and it takes you to the Republic Street, which we'll look at later on. Now, when you get to the stage, you come out the terminal, you follow it up, where you see the signpost for the lift straight on, you then swing round and go up the hill, and it's a nice easy way up there as well. If you don't want to take the lift, it's a great way to get up. Now, another little tip I wanted to share with you, as we left the terminal in Malta, they gave us this little walking guide. It was there to pick up. It says €1 on it, but we picked it up for free. It's got 2 great walks in there as well, which you can use. Really easy, signposted, and they show you all the bits that you're going to see on the way round too. As you step out of the lift high above Valletta Harbour, you'll find a saluting battery where daily they have cannon fire at midday and 4 PM. It's well worth a visit. Once you've got away from the saluting battery, you head into the main part of Valletta itself, and behind me you can see the entrance to the old walled city. That's where the bus terminal is, just outside there. It's really easy to navigate Valletta. You've got water on 3 sides down there, so you can't really get lost. If you come in that end, head down the main street here to the Republic Street, and little offshoots on either side have got classy little shops, little cafes there for you to enjoy. Now, if you've walked the whole way down to the bottom of Republic Street, you've got 2 choices. You can turn left, and the next main street up is Old Bakery Street, or my preference, turn right, and you walk up Merchant Street, which is this one behind me, with cafes down the middle. It's a lovely place to sit and have a coffee as well if you feel like it. And it takes you to the very end, where you're back to almost where you started. Turn left, and you'll start seeing the ships, and it's easy to go home from there. Thanks for watching this video by Lifesacruise. Remember, if you like what you saw, please like, comment, and subscribe below.